Alright sa inyo, nagbabalik na naman po tayo sa panibagong video, tinatawag na chemistry. We're gonna try a experiment, guys. Ayan o. We're gonna try an experiment. And guys, let's go experiment. Okay guys, kung bago lang dito, hit the like button dyan. Mag-subscribe na rin kayo kung bago lang dito. Let's go. Yan guys, we're gonna make a experiment. So guys, so nalinis ako na yan. Wait. Yan. Okay, so ngayon, we're gonna put some. So, eto muna guys, isasaksak ko muna itong charger nito. Yan. Ayun o. Yan. Turn on the light. Yan, turn on the light. Tapos, we're gonna, so, this is a chemistry. Chemistry, guys, chemistry. So, we're gonna put some, this. Yan. Wait. Yan, guys. Yan. Yan. So, we're gonna put some, this one, a chemical. Guys, itong chemical na to is, ano siya? Pangan siya? Harvest Essential Fresh Bamboo Air Freshener, guys. Ano siya? Air freshener na substances. We're gonna put some, we're gonna put here. Put some, a liquid in here. Chemistry. It's a chemistry, guys. Chemistry. Okay, so after we put that, we're just gonna wait lang, guys. Yan, guys. So we're gonna put some. So we're gonna put some water. Wait lang guys. Hindi kasi maayos eh. Yan. Ganyan. Yan. Okay. We're gonna put some water. Naka-prepared na yan guys. So we're gonna pour some water here. Just a little water. Then add some a chemical or liquid in here. After that, we're just gonna mix it. Mix the chemical with water, and it doesn't make any reaction or any substance. Yeah, look at that. So we're just gonna turn on the. There you go. Oh my god. Yo, what the heck? Yo, chill. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Chemical reaction. Oh my god, my friend. Oh my god. Chemical. Oh my god. Tayo. Ayan na guys. Chemical reaction. Wait lang guys. Ayan na guys. Ouch! Oh my god. Science! Oh my god, guys. Science. Oh my god. Science is real. Oh my goodness, bro. OMG. Ayun so, nagre-react na yung mga chemical, guys. Ayun o. Oh my god. Ayun guys, nagre-react na guys. Ayun o. Sheesh. Ayun, nababasa. chemical reaction. Ito yung ginamit ko na ayun. Wait. Yan. Ito yung tubig. Ito yung chemical na nilagay ko dito. Yan. Sheesh. So yeah guys. It's just a prank. It's a prank. Joke lang guys. Hindi yun totoong experiment. It's just a prop. Okay, so hindi yun totoong experiment. Okay. Direct to. Yun guys. Pero sobrang ganda nun. Kahit naman na fake yung ating experiment, pero sobrang ganda guys. Sobrang exciting and sobrang interesting ng ating experiment. So yun guys. So hindi po siya totoong experiment Itong sige namin ko guys. Itong chemical na to is talagang pang dito talaga yan. Itong yan. Parang siyang ganyan. Parang smoke. Ito yun. So, talagang ginagamit to para dito. Para kapag mabaho, yung kwarto mo, parang babango na. Guys na. Galing na. Guys, ang pinaka-favorite ko sa science is biology and chemistry and yun lang. Yung favorite ko. Tsaka, science, technology. Let's go! Success! Let's go. Ayun smoke. Ayun may smoke. So, this is all for fake. Fake lang guys, fake lang. Nice. We're gonna turn on this. Turn off. Ouch. This experiment done is low budget and oh my. What? Guys, lightning. Guys, mas accurate yung tingnan ng aking camera kapag may mga kapag wala na ito, di ba pangit? Kaya parang liliwanag na guys. Mas better dito ba guys? Siguro dito na. Yun lang guys. So yeah, sobrang exciting nung experiment na yun. Sobrang naka-excite guys. Oh my god. So yeah, ayan, yun lang. So thank you and goodbye. See ya. Paalam. Peace out.